there is no load on this yet. So there is no dummy load. So it's fine. So we can turn on the main load with this push of this button. Since it's 50 Hz, we can turn on this main load using this button. The main load will work as we can turn it on. Then let us simulate a change in the frequency. A change in the frequency. This is the main load working now. So let us. The blue is supposed to be a dummy load. So if we remove this, I've simulated 54 Hz frequency. So it turned off the main load. As you can see, the main load is off. It turned on the dummy load. There are 6.7 kilowatt of dummy load, which is like almost half of. So if you look at these thyristors now, they are firing, and the fans come on to show that for cooling, because as long as this guy is firing, the fan will run. So if I return, and you notice that the main load cannot work, because so let me take it back to the normal frequency. You see now, it turns off the dummy load. So it turns off the dummy load and bring it back, and now the main load can work if we do this. So let's do a manual test. So to test manual, so we want to see if the dummy load, if we can bypass the main load. So the first thing is to turn off this auto. So all these are manual controls, so we can turn off this auto. So once the module is turned off, we can then turn on the main load. This is the main load. So with this main load, we can turn on this, and we have the main load. We have it. So let's say for any reason we are not satisfied with the frequency and we want to bring it down using the dummy load, we can turn them on one at a time using this breaker. This is the one. No, this is this one. So we have this dummy load on. And 3. So and the 3 dummy loads are running now as well as the main load.